to the Google Camera app is generally timed up to new Pixel releases. For the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, Google Camera is appearing to get its first UI redesign in years. Published by Android Authority, there's a clear focus on placing controls at the bottom of the screen to improve reachability. The settings fields at the top has been moved to the bottom left corner of the screen. Besides tapping the setting sheet, which remains mostly unchanged and still appearing on the top, you can see an open it via swipe gesture. The black strip that houses preferences is now also home to a high-level photo and video switcher. This informs the mode/feature carousel that appears just above it and now appears overlaid on the viewfinder for a more dedicated view. On the camera, from what is visible in the screenshot, you get action pan, long exposure, portrait, photo, night, sight and panorama, pan, blur, video, slow motion and time lapse. The shutter buttons remain the same, but the front and rear switches now on the right and the last shot preview is on the left, which is going to be a pain for muscle memory. The zoom switcher appears to be above, while the various sliders are still in the same position on the left and right side. Lastly, there's an adaptive touch to prevent overexposed shots and improve low-light photography. The new Google Camera UI will mostly make its way to recent phones such as Pixel 6 and above. And Google's also working on staggered HDR to speed up the capture speed and make artifact less likely thanks to the shorter delay between frames.